Hello students, I am Ratan Kumar, your mathematics teacher. In this class, we will discuss the first chapter of your class 8 mathematics, that is playing with numbers. Playing with numbers means we are not actually going to play with numbers. What we will do is, in this chapter, we will know the important and very interesting facts about numbers. Let's see. The first thing is general form of numbers. What is general form of numbers? Let me take an example and explain it to you. Example 374. Okay. In your previous classes, you have studied about the place value, right? Okay. So what will be the place? What are the place values in this number? 4 has got unit place, which means we can write 4 as 4 into 1, where 1 is unit, right? Now 7 takes tens place. So 7 can be written as, in this case, 7 into 10, and 3 has taken the place of 100. So in this case, 3 can be written as 3 into 100. Now, if we add all these numbers, what we will get? Let's see. 3 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 4 into 1. Why we have written like this? Because 4 has taken unit place, 7 has tens place, and 3 has hundreds place. Okay? Now if we add these numbers, what we will get? 3 into 100 is 300 plus 7 into 10 is 70 plus 4 into 1 is 4. So, 4. Now, what will be the addition of these numbers? It is 374. This is same thing, right? So, what we can say by this is, any number in this form can be written in this form, that is, into their places, each number into their place values. So, this form of representation is called general form of number. Now, I will take numbers with higher digits and I will explain you how to write them in the general form. Okay? Where is the sheet? Now I will take examples of higher digits. Okay? Example. I will take 5-digit number. 5, 8, 6, 4, 1. This is a 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? What is this number? 58,641. Okay? Now we will try to write this number in general form. Okay? So what is the place value of 1? It is unit. So 1 can be written as 1 into 1. 4, it has tens place. So 4 can be written as 4 into 10. 6 has got hundreds place. So 6 can be written as 6 into 100, and 8 has got thousands place. So it can be written as 8 into 1000, and 5 has got the place value of 10,000. So we can write 5 as 5 into 10,000. Okay? In this case, if we add all these numbers, what we should get? We should get this, that is 58,641. Then only we can say that this is general form of this number. Let's check if the sum of these numbers will be equal to this. That is, first is 5 into 10,000 plus 8 into 1000 plus 6 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 1 into 1. Okay? Now, if we add this number, what will we get? This will be 5 into 10,000 is 50,000 plus 8 into 1000 is 8,000 plus 6 into 100 is 600 plus 4 into 10 is 40 plus this is 1. Now if we add all this, what will we get? This is 58,641. So this is the general form of this number. This is general form. Okay, this is how we write the general form of any number. Suppose there is a number like A, B, C, D. Think that this is a 4-digit number where A has some value, B has some value, C and D have also different values. Then A, B, C, D, a number like this can be written as how? For that, what we should do? We should find the place value of each number, then we will write its general form. This is units place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, and this is thousand place. So the highest value is 1000. So how to write the general form of this number? It will be A into 1000 plus B into 100 plus C into 10 plus D into unit. Unit means 1. So this is the general form. This is how we write general form of any number. So what is the first step? First step is to count the number of digits. Next step, find the place value of each digit, and then what we will do? We will multiply the place value with the number, and we will add all the numbers in the same way. So this is the general form. This is all about general form. What is the next topic? Okay, there are some examples given in your textbook in exercise 1. There are some examples given and you have to write the general form of those numbers. And there are some numbers given in general form and you have to write it in a simple form. Let me tell you how to write a number given already in general form to write it in normal form. Okay? Given a general form of number is, okay, a number is given in its general form, we will try to write it in its normal form. It is given like 4 into 10,000 plus 5 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 4 into 1. This is the general form given. Now we have to write the normal form. How to write it? Now 4 into 10 to 3 40,000 plus 5 into 100 is 500 plus 2 into 10 is 20 plus 4 into 1 is 4. Now add all these numbers. Okay, so it is 40,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 4. Now if we add this, what we will get? This is 4, 0 plus 0 is 2, is 2, 0 plus 5 is 5, this is 0, this is 4. So the number we have got is 40,524. This is the normal form or simple form of this generalized form which is given. Okay, this is how we will find the normal form. Okay, the next topic is alphanumerals. What are alphanumerals? You know, normal numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. These are numbers, normal numbers. Okay, and if a two-digit number can be written like this, like we take any number, that is 54. This is also a number. If I write this number in some other way, like if I write it 5 and 8, then what is this? This is a alphanumeral. An alphabet has taken a value. Okay, this alphabet can take any value. Suppose if I write any number like B2, then B can take any value. So this number is alphanumeral. It has got alphabet and a number. Alpha means alphabet, numeral means number. So this is a alphanumeral. Okay. Now let us try to find the values of the alphabets in alphanumerals. To find the value of alphabet in alphanumerals, we need some condition to be given. If there is no condition given, then the alphabet can take any value. Okay? So let us see how these alphanumerals can be solved. Let me take an example. Okay, there are two numbers given and their addition is also given, answer is also given. Now, what we will do? We will find the value of the alphabets. This is 4-1-B, Q-1-5. Their addition is equal to 5-6. Okay. Now, this is the problem given. In this problem, we have to find the value of P and Q. Okay. How to find the value? We know that 5 plus some number becomes this number. Okay. This is the answer, right? Now, what will add to 5 to give 6? Let me try with some number, right? Take 0. If I take 0, 0 plus 5 will be 5. So, this is wrong. 0 is not a correct answer for P. Now, let me take next number, 1. If I take 1, if I take P as 1, if I take P as 1, 0 is wrong. Okay? Now, if I take P as 1, 1 plus 5 is 6, right? So, P is equal to 1. Okay, let me go to another number. If I take P as 2, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. But here it is given 6. So, this is wrong. If you take any number like this, that won't be equal to 6. Only P is equal to 1 gives you 6 here. Okay? Now, in this case, see, 1 plus 5 is 6, 1 plus 1 is 2. Now, 4 plus what will give you 5? 4 plus Q, 5 is given here. Now, what is the value of Q that gives you 5? Let me take some number randomly, like if I take the value of Q as 3. If I take Q as 3, 4 plus 3 is 7. So, this is wrong. If I take Q as 2, 4 plus 2 is 6. So, Q is not equal to 2. If I take Q as 1, 4 plus 1 is 5. So, the value of Q, P here is 1 and Q here is 1. Okay. Let me take another example and find the value of the alphabets in the alphanumerals given. Okay. Here is given example 3a into 12 is equal to C8 4. Okay, in this case there is multiplication. A has some value and C has some value. What are they? We don't know. So let us find the values of A and C. How multiplication is done? This is 3a into 12. Okay, now let us multiply. 2 into A gives a number here. What is that number? I don't know. Okay, so I will keep it blank. Now 2 into 3 is 6. Okay, this is 6. Now next step is plus 1 into A is, I'll keep it blank because I don't know the value of A, and 1 into 3 is 3. So the answer will be some blank, some shiny number there. 6 plus, here it is 6 plus some number, and it is 3 here. Okay. Now let us see. Here it is given 4. Right. Now this is the answer which is similar to this. They have already given the answer. So what I will do, I will compare this and this. So here clearly C will be equal to 3 because these are same, right? So C is equal to 3 and 6 plus some number is equal to 8. What is this number here? This is 1 into 8 and here it is 2 into 8. Here it is 1 into 8. So this is 1 into A is 8. 6 plus A is equal to 8. Okay, so here our 6 digit is, here our second digit is 6 plus A. Here our second digit is 8. So by the question given, they already given the product of these, and here we have got this. So this is equal to this. Here we have got C is equal to 3 C is equal to 3 and 8 is equal to 6 plus A. No. Okay. Now what will add to 6 to give 8? That is, let us try with some random number 4. If I take A is equal to 4, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. But is equal to 10. But what we want 8. So A is equal to 4. Now repeating another number, A is equal to 2. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So this is right. Now what we have got? We got the value of A, we got the value of C. We got both the values. This is how we find the value of alphabets in the alphanumerals. To find the value of alphabet in the alphanumerals is we require a condition for that, and the condition is, in the first example it is addition, in the second example it was multiplication. Okay, that's all for this class. In the next class we will look at divisibility and the rules of divisibility. Thank you.